Okay. So now we have Richard with us, who's working on the EESSI software stack on our HPC systems. So welcome, Richard.
Thank you,
And
Sabri, and welcome everyone.
yeah, so
So,
then we in the Richard in the morning we were trying to use this module system to load different modules.
mhm,
So what we were discussing was that, let's say when you log in for the first time on HPC system, you might see a certain Python version, but you
yes,
might want a different Python version.
mhm,
Then you use this module load command to load different Python version and change your environment without affecting everybody else.
yes,
And also somewhat uniform. For example, a module in Saga might work in module in on Scrum.
mhm,
But what if, Richard, let's say I want to develop something on my laptop, right? I want
yes,
to use these modules on my laptop, and or in a cloud virtual machine or somewhere else. Then I want to bring it to the HPC system.
mhm.
Is there a way that we could make that work? Make these module environments uniform across even more than these HPC systems we are talking about.
Yes, yes. So you have exactly pointed to what I needed to explain. So hello everyone. Let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Richard Topushian. I'm in Andres software team. And I've been also collaborating and contributing with the Easy project for more than 2 years now. Let me first explain what EESSI is. So EESSI, which stands for European Environment for Scientific Software Installations, it's a community-driven effort to provide a shared high-performance and easy to maintain software stack for scientific computing. And I emphasize on community-driven because basically it's a shared between all users who use Easy and who want to contribute to Easy. The idea is simple and powerful. So we want to build software once it is well tested, reproducible methods, and we wanted to make it available on basically every Linux machine for every researcher, user, or whoever is interested in using software from Easy. What Easy is that on any Linux machine, whether or even Windows subsystem Linux or on Mac OS via Lima, you can get access to Easy. Easy is a software stack that has now around 600 scientific software packages. It is also now available on more than 40 systems or clusters around the world. At least those are the systems and clusters we know about. And it gives you access to a scientific software stack through Linux or Windows Subsystem Linux or Mac OS via Lima, as said earlier. So you can on your laptop, for example, as Sabri asked, have Easy and try to access the software available through Easy and prepare your scripts or try to discover different software which you're interested in. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can then access Easy on other systems where you have like more CPUs or memory, or other requirements which deliver your need. So Easy is available on all Android systems, on Saga from Betsy and on Olivia, our new system. And you can get access to Easy on our systems simply by loading the Easy module, which is module load Easy 2023-06, which is the version. After loading the Easy module, you are automatically gaining access to around 600 scientific software packages. Again, as said earlier, the big advantage in Easy is that you are getting access to an optimized software. Exactly, you can find the same software on any of our Andres HPC systems. And also you can find the same software if you load Easy on your laptop. And soon enough, Easy also will be available on every Euro HPC system. As you know, Lumi, which is part of Andres also, is within the Euro HPC systems, and also Easy will be available soon there. So again, Easy is a software stack that you can easily access on Android machines at least, and you can gain access to or almost 600 software packages. It is community based, and if there is anything to add, you can follow up with the Easy web page, and you can add software upon your need. And we, as NRIS software team, are open to any questions, and I specifically am welcoming any questions for or interests in Easy.
So, Richard, you said that the first thing I should do in order to get access to this enormous amount of software is to load this module. So, what I would try is that if I try some command, would you be able to help me a little bit?
Yes, yes. So if
Okay.
you do, for example, module avail Easy, just to see first
Mhm.
if Easy avail is available on any of our HPC systems, yes. So you
Mhm.
can see that, yes, it is available.
Mhm.
And if you try to module load
Module
Easy
load.
2020, yes, 2023, maybe you can first try module show.
Okay.
It will, yeah,
Module show easy.
yeah.
So, what is the difference between that and module avail?
You should specify the version, I guess, or yeah.
Okay. So,
So
the
the
5
module
seconds
show
will be
Easy
slow.
gives you information about Easy.
Mhm.
I guess it's a bit slow on Saga. That's yeah. So
Mhm.
if you do the show, it shows
Mhm.
you information like it is always if you go to the beginning, it describes a bit about what Easy is and how it works. Yeah, so yep, exactly there. So it
Mhm.
gives you a description of what Easy is and how this module functions. So this is what module show is.
Mhm. So then
And
I think people don't need to understand that detail in order to use
yeah,
that,
yeah,
right?
definitely, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
So I will load it
This is a bit
now.
more advanced if they want to see what how easy works. But
Mhm.
anyway, the
Mhm.
simplest thing to do to get access to the software stack is just module load easy. Yes.
Yes. So I load module load easy, and then I could ask.
So now, for example, if you try module avail Gromax or whatever, so Gromax, maybe it's the easiest, yeah? You will see that it is showing you there already exist 3 versions of Gromax in Easy,
Mhm.
and you are seeing those versions for this specific HPC system or node you are on. So if you had GPUs, you will see more software.
Mhm.
It automatically manages to offer you the software that runs on the specific system or node you are on. Yeah,
Should I try to load one version?
you can do that.
So this the way it works, Richard, could you explain like is it installed? Is everything it's installed, or is it going to load when first time I try to access it?
Yes, very nice question. So in Easy, we said we have already around 600 software packages. So how Easy works is very similar to the streaming systems we use. For example, you can see that Gromax is there and you have loaded Gromax, but it doesn't mean that it has already fetched all the files required to run Gromax. So it streams whatever you want to use. So when you try to run Gromax, it will automatically try to fetch the files from your proxy. I don't want to go into
Yeah,
details. Just
yeah, no,
keep it simple for now.
yeah.
So it works like any streaming system
Mm.
we know, Netflix or whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So
exactly the
this
same way.
this is like you start watching a movie, and it'll when you go for the next episode, it'll load whatever needed, right? So
So
you
so
don't have
you
to worry
you
about it.
you can see that you have a lot of choice to choose between movies, and which movie you choose, it automatically streams it and runs it. Exactly the
Okay.
same idea here. So you have
Yes.
a bunch of software,
Yeah.
and whichever you want to run, it streams it and runs it. Yep.
Good. So, Richard, I was showing the path before. So
Yes.
I just want your help a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
to understand little bit about why this path is so long. Like it has the name Intel and Skylake and etc. etc.
Yes. So the path is long because in Easy we support different architectures. As an HPC onboarding course, I don't want to go deep technical. All you need to know is that Easy is served through CVMFS. So that is an independent and it works like streaming software, as we said. And wherever you load it, you will see the same path if you are on the same type of node. So, and that's why you see the path so long, because if you see the loaded modules, so when you loaded GrowMax, it has already loaded around 35 modules. So the path for each of those is added to the dollar path. So that if you want to run, for example, I loaded GrowMax, but I want to see the Python version. So if you do now echo or which Python, you will see that it is pointing to a Python from Easy.
Mm,
Exactly. So you see that it is under CVMFS,
mm.
something under CVMFS, which shows that it is using Python from Easy, and so on and so forth. So the 35 loaded packages are added into the path so that if you want to run any executable of those modules, it will be running through Easy.
So, for example, Richard, let's say if I'm trying to do this, I have a script. I want to run it without refactoring. So I
Mm-hmm.
want to use GrowMax, and I
Mm-hmm.
go to another machine, but that machine doesn't have Intel, maybe AMD. Do I have
Yes.
to do anything different, or should I just load GrowMax as it is, and everything would be automatically taken care of?
And exactly, and that's what we said the power of Easy is. So you don't need to worry about anything. So if you are on Saga from Betsy, your laptop, any machine in the cloud, so you just need access to Easy, and that's all you need to care for. Once you get it, you can load exactly the same module, which gives you access to the same software, and the same version of the software is available through all the machines. So you will see exactly the same thing on wherever you're loading Easy.
Okay.
And
So,
to run script,
yeah.
maybe I need to add something here. So in order to run a scheduled job or on our HPC systems, there is no difference but to load Easy module first.
Mm,
So you load Easy module, then you already got access to all the software stack, and then you load whatever software you need.
mm. So when I load this GrowMax, Richard, I see this extra thing in the front with these curly brackets.
Mhm.
What does that mean?
This is just a variable telling you that Easy is loaded.
Okay. So it's
So
not like a Conda environment or anything.
no, no, no. So
Mm,
this is basically telling you that yes, now Easy is loaded and you are using Easy 2023-06.
mm,
At a later stage, we will maybe have another version we currently have, but it's still not ready to be accessible on the system,
yeah.
on our systems.
Mm.
So you will see 2025-06, for example.
Okay. So one more thing before before the break and Siri comes is that yes, it is convenient, and there are some small issues with SE as well, Richard. For
Hmm.
example, so we have set up some software like D usage.
Yes.
D usage, um, which might not
No.
work. D,
Yeah, you
D,
also need to spell it right.
yeah,
D, yeah.
D usage.
Hmm.
Um,
Why would it not
no,
work?
no, no. I mean, like there might be commands because it uses the Python, and everything is changed, and also the easy changes the LD library path. I mean, it's not using LD library path. So when you are,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
And for now, as an
mhm,
HPC onboarding course,
yeah,
we're going too far technical.
okay,
If you need any question,
mm,
any issues,
mm,
just reach us as a
okay,
support team, and we will guide you further. Don't
okay,
worry about
okay.
anything. Yep.
Thank you, Richard, and
Yeah, welcome.
I hope you'll get some support requests soon, and maybe you could help us with some answer some questions in the shared document as well, if there is. Then.